How would you like to send unlimited emails at the push of a button, all with a one-time fee? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own autoresponder with built-in sending servers and dedicated IPs blasting your affiliate link to thousands of people in seconds. And even building your list for you using automated Instagram traffic and built-in SMS text messaging. When you have an email list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands of dollars simply by sending an email. And the best part, you can now do the same. Look, email marketing quickly became a costly experience that's reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3 to 4 figures yearly prices, only the so-called gurus have had the ability to quickly grow their lists and take advantage of this massively profitable system. With other major autoresponders, their cheapest plan starts at $228 per year and you can only store 500 subscribers. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective solution with zero limitations and even more features, and easier to use than anything else on the market right now. Introducing ProfitSend. It's the only cloud autoresponder out there that comes with built-in SMTP servers and dedicated IPs, and for a low one-time fee can be set up in under 2 minutes straight in the cloud, working from both desktop and mobile, and will allow you to send thousands of emails completely for free. Not just that, ProfitSend will allow you to upload a list of subscribers straight into the app, with no double opt-in or any verification required whatsoever. Mail your list as often as you'd like to using our servers with nothing to configure. Plus, we help you build your list with our built-in opt-in forms, Instagram chatbot and messaging, and even SMS texts. So you can finally say goodbye to expensive autoresponders with monthly fees that provide a subpar service and can even close down your account anytime they want to. And yes, you read that right. ProfitSend is not limited to just emails. It lets you send SMS texts and Instagram messages from our built-in server, so it's completely free to literally anyone. So you can reach new people in new ways, all from the same interface. The software is incredibly easy to use. All you have to do to get started is log in into our web app and upload your list of subscribers, or use the built-in squeeze pages and opt-in forms to build your list from scratch if you don't have one yet. Now, unlike other one-time fee autoresponders that require you to set up a sending server like an SMTP, or a third-party service like Mailgun or SendGrid, ProfitSend does not operate that way. We have our own sending servers and SMTP dedicated IPs already pre-configured and working seamlessly for you. And you're all set. You get to email your list as often as you like, completely free forever. Uploading your list, which is as easy as clicking a couple of buttons. You can directly import subscribers into ProfitSend with no double opt-ins, restrictions, or verifications, meaning you can instantly transfer your list from Aweber, GetResponse, or even import your list of buyers. Next, you choose a design for your email from our built-in templates and then use our beautiful campaign editor to mail your list and start making money. You can send emails right away, or schedule them and have them sent out at any time you desire. With no limitations, no monthly fees, no downtime, and no headaches. How cool is that? You get all the features of a regular autoresponder without any of the restrictions. That means you can still build your list by using our opt-in forms, schedule broadcasts anytime you want, and create unlimited lists and campaigns within minutes. With ProfitSend, you're in full control, all with zero monthly fees, unrestricted importing, and a marketing-friendly interface. And with built-in SMTP and dedicated IPs, plus the ability to send SMS texts and Instagram messages to literally anyone on Earth, there's just no other app quite like ProfitSend out there. It combines several costly monthly apps and services into one affordable one-time fee solution to put the power back into your hands. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitSend during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of email marketing together. Welcome to ProfitSend.